Draw to round heads with little ears. Add to bodies with arms and legs. One teddy can be sitting, and the other can be waving. Don't forget to draw big smiles and bows. Now color both teddy bears brown. Their bows can be bright red. The inside of the ears can be a lighter brown, and their nose is black. Make them look soft and cuddly. Perfect! Our teddy bears look so cute and happy, sitting together. Great job, you made two lovely teddy bear friends. Let's draw a big wooden sign that says zoo. Above it, draw animal faces: an elephant in the middle, a giraffe peeking from the side, a lion with a mane, and a hippo too. Add leaves around to make it look natural. Now color the elephant gray, the giraffe yellow with brown spots, the lion orange with a yellow face, and the hippo brown. The wooden sign can be light brown with black letters, and the leaves green. Wonderful! Our zoo looks full of friendly animals waiting to meet us. Great work, you made a fun and colorful zoo scene.